Moving next, moving to our next category, we have our winners from West region. The second runner-up for the category is Jovaki Agro Foods Private Limited, which is received by Rajesh Oza. Many congratulations, Mr. Rajesh, for securing the second runner-up position. The first runner-up of the West region is Asha Mahila Milk Producer Company Limited, which is received by Mr. Dharmendra Kumar. Many congratulations, Mr. Dharmendra, for securing first runner-up position in the category. The winner in West region category is Kheti Gadi, which is received by Mr. Vishnu Das. Many congratulations, Mr. Vishnu, for securing the first position in the category. Congratulations to all the winners. Can we have the video for West region, please?
Hello everyone, we at Jovaki Agro Foods India Private Limited have developed a value chain of underutilized wild fruits. We collect and process organically grown wild fruits like sitafal, jamun, etc. and make value-added products from them. Then we market these products through B2B and B2C channels and in the process provide livelihood to tribal women farmers. At present, we are working with more than 600 tribal women farmers who are engaged with us in all stages from collection to processing. My sincere thanks goes to Samunnati and National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management for recognizing our work and awarding us with Manage Samunnati Agri Startup Award 2021. This award will surely boost our morale and will help us financially so that we can continue to work for the empowerment of tribal women farmers. Once again, a huge thanks from Jovaki team. Namaste.
Namaskar, I am Dharmendra Malik, Chief Executive in Asha Mahila Milk Producer Company Limited, based on Udaipur, Rajasthan. Beginning of the company, 11 farmer women member in 21st of March 2016 in district Pali, Rajasthan. Currently more than 25,000 women member associate with the company. Company issuing the share to all members selling raw milk, getting benefit for technical input services and become self-dependent. Company is helping its members livelihood by providing transparency mechanism. Thanks a lot for Saminiti jury member for recognize our company. I am very happy, proud for receiving the award. This award dedicated to Asha all entire team. Thank you again, Economic Time entire team.
Namaskar, this is Vishnu Das, co-founder and director at Kheti Gadi, world's first e-commerce for farm mechanization. Farmers can now buy, sell, rent, hire tractors and farm implement just on a click. Kheti Gadi is a knowledge-based advisory platform and our objective is to ensure that the farming technology reaches even the last farmer of our country. The impact which we are creating through Kheti Gadi is to encourage farmers to deploy farm mechanization technology which will save time, money, energy and result into optimum yield. At the same time, we also encourage farmers to rent out their tractors and farm mechanization implements to earn additional income, thus elevating their standard of living. Also, Kheti Gadi is a completely free platform for farmers. We would like to thank the honorable jury for selecting us as the winners and valuing our contribution towards the farm mechanization of our country. It is also our privilege to be part of this initiative and it gives us immense pleasure to be the winners. Thank you.